In today's video, you're gonna see a whole bunch of beautiful cars. Hello everybody and welcome to Classic Car ChitChat. My name is Kevin. Today we are in beautiful Georgetown. It's a gorgeous day. It's Father's Day today, and today, 2024, they have their Father's Day Classic Car Show. As you can see around me, there are some absolutely stunning cars. I have a young gentleman, he's my cameraman, and your name is? Paul. Thank you so much, Paul. There's some absolutely beautiful cars here. So, without further ado, let's hop in, let's go for a drive, and let's check out some beautiful cars right here in Georgetown.
And what we've got here is a 1952 Ford M38, what would refer to as a Jeep. It was built for the Canadian military in 1952. Yes, by Ford Motor
By
Company.
Ford, I can't get over that, all right?
It was built under license from Willys because the Canadian military wanted a small number that Willys wasn't going to retool to build.
My God.
So it is all original. The vehicle spent its military life from 52 to 73, 75 is best guess I've got. When it was released, it stayed mostly in southern Ontario. It also tows an M100 trailer that was the original that this vehicle would have towed while it was in service. The engine is a Willys 4-cylinder with 134 cubic inches displacement and generates 60 horsepower.
My God. I think my lawnmower does that.
Pretty much. The
That's
gearing on it,
incredible.
though, the vehicle will pull a great deal of weight because it has very low gearing.
Right.
Highway speed, it's comfortable at about 40 miles, 45 miles an hour, which is, what, 70 kilometers an hour? That's about what it's comfortable at.
Awesome. Thank you so much,
first.
Greg.
You're most
Name's Carol.
Carol, tell me what this is.
It's a 1954 Pontiac Laurentian, Canadian.
Canadian.
Pontiac.
Where was it built? Do you know?
It was built in Oshawa.
That's amazing. And this is the original color on the car back in the day?
Yes, it is.
It's
and it's
gorgeous.
known as Pablo Tan.
Really? And it was always like in this two-tone look to it?
Yes.
I love it. The curved glass on this is just spectacular. It's a lost art these days. You don't see that at all.
No, you don't.
It's wonderful. And how long have you guys had it?
We've had it for around 17 years.
Wow. It's beautiful. Thank you, Carol.
Thank you.
Mike Boyd,
Mike, tell me
Yeah.
what you've got here.
a 1962 Plymouth Fury. It's a Canadian car, and it's special order in 1962.
Where was it built?
Windsor.
No way.
Yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful.
And original color, fire red.
I love it.
Yeah, with the white stripe.
You know what? It's the finish back in the day. All those little chrome elements, Mike.
I know.
Just
and,
gorgeous.
Enamel, right?
Yeah, and that hood scoop was always there?
Yeah,
That
yeah.
was out of the factory like
Yeah,
that?
we restored it in '97. So it's 20 years old, the paint. Oh, 26 years old, that paint now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Slightly older than you are. I said slightly older than you are.
Slightly older to do, yeah.
Oh, it's
Been a
beautiful.
Georgetown car forever.
Nice.
Yeah. It was ordered new in Georgetown and delivered to Georgetown. Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you.
We think one of 15 built.
Awesome. Thank you
I'm
so
good,
much, Paul. My name's Kevin. Nice to meet you. Tell me what you've got here.
1978 Chevrolet Monza Spider.
And how many of these came into existence?
This specific configuration, I think they only made about 2,000 of them in 78, but they're pretty hard to find these days.
And the decals and everything, is that how it came from the shop back
Yep.
in the day?
Yes, sir.
My God. And how long have you had this?
I bought this in 2005.
Oh, she's beautiful. And it's got this orangey red color to it. I don't know what you even call it.
Yeah, it's the original color.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I went by a few different names depending. They had the same color on a few different cars. You could get it on a Camaro and other ones.
Yep.
But they seem to call it something different, even though it was the same color. They call it different on other models.
Well, I have a 73 MG, almost the same color, but I know for a fact that the color on the MG is not the original British MG color.
Okay.
It was repainted in a Corvette Camaro red. It's almost the same as this. Looks identical.
They did use the exact same color on
Many cars,
on
right?
Corvettes. Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you, Paul.
Karen
I
Sharp
appreciate
Machado.
it. Okay, Karen, tell me what you've got here.
I have a 1974 Cadillac Eldorado. This beauty was just gifted to me a few months ago.
From whom?
This was from my father.
Wow.
Unfortunately, cancer took my dad in
my
February of this year. So we are entering his girl today in honor of him. And yes, I've only had this for 2 months, but this was my dad's.
Oh, she's beautiful. And you're honoring your father.
I'm
you're honoring Elvis as always.
Absolutely. He also was an Elvis impersonator, hence the reason why I have the
No
Elvis
way.
t-shirt
And
on.
guess where my wife is today?
Where?
Graceland.
No way!
Her
Amazing.
and the girls took a trip down there, and they're actually in Graceland enjoying the real Elvis
Yes.
place. So
I have his jumpsuit at home, but I should have brought it next
you should
car
have.
show.
Wear
I
it
should have.
next time.
Next time I will.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Whose is this? Oh, hello. How are you?
You always see them on YouTube, and now you see them.
Yeah, and I'm more handsome than you thought, right? Is that right? Hello, Art. Do you need more space? How are you? Good to see you. Nice to see you. Say hello to me properly.
Oh, hello, Kevin.
No, hold the
How are you?
microphone.
My goodness, you're looking
Hold
better
it, hold it. There we go.
Better every year I see you.
And you've got your collection here. Well, some of them.
This is a '79 Rolls Royce
It's
Silver
beautiful.
Shadow 2.
Yep.
Maybe the anniversary year, they stopped making that model the next year, in 1980.
I think I've driven this one.
I think you've been.
It's beautiful. Thank you. You got the Mercedes here as well.
That one over there.
Beautiful. Art, work of art. No pun intended.
Thank you. Good pun though.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Almost as pretty as mine. Don't tell Rhonda. Don't tell Rhonda I said that though.
How much do you want for this car?
Nothing. I'm just saying how beautiful yours is. She's prettier than mine. Tell me your name first.
My name's Lee Kelly from
Lee.
Georgetown.
Okay, tell me what you got here, Lee.
It's called a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner.
Ah, she's beautiful. How long have you had this car?
Since about 2015.
Oh, what a machine.
Yeah, it's fun.
I love the color on this.
Yeah, it
just pops.
Yeah, it's an aftermarket color, but yeah, it still looks good. It's an older paint job.
Excellent. Oh, she's lovely.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
Just beautiful. I love the interior too.
Yeah.
I have a thing. Now, is this like the original color of the interior?
It's made to be like the original from Legendary Interiors.
Wow.
So it would have been just like it was.
Did a fantastic job. Tell me your name first, sir.
Leslie Bond.
Leslie, what do you have here? What is the year and make?
This is a 1973 Triumph Spitfire that I've had for 49 years.
Oh my God, so you just recently bought her then? Wow.
Yeah, it was
It's beautiful condition.
well, it's basically original. It's been repainted because red fades.
Yeah,
And the seats have been recovered.
right.
And the carpets are new.
And it always had this sort of cloth seat on this one, Leslie? It was never the vinyl?
No, they were vinyl.
Okay,
And the vinyl was fine, but the foam inside all disintegrated.
yes.
So I took this to a local place in Georgetown, and they put the fabric that they use on TTC buses in Toronto.
No way, so it's industrial.
Yes, and it's much more gentle on the legs in a very hot day
I
with
bet.
the black.
For sure.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Leslie.
Well, a pleasure to be able to talk about
Tell me your
my.
name.
Gordon,
Gordon, what do you have here?
1969 Plymouth Barracuda.
And how long have you had it?
I've had it for 10 years.
10 years. Original color,
It is an original color, yes.
but it's been repainted,
Yes, it
obviously.
has,
It's
yes.
beautiful. I love that metal flake look to it. Oh, I love this thing.
It's a 340 balanced and blueprinted engine.
Hello!
As well.
How are you doing? Your name first, my dear.
My name is Susanna Kovac.
Susanna, tell me what you have here.
I have beautiful Mustang GT.
Oh, it's
2005.
And who did the paintwork on this?
My brother did.
Your brother did?
He is.
This fella there,
That
okay.
guy
What's the
did
name of your business?
No, I don't have business.
You don't, you just did it because you, wow.
My garage.
No way. That is incredible. You should start a business. You really should. This is a work of art.
Just hoping.
Oh, gorgeous.
We love it, building up the car.
Yes, everything about this car.
Yeah, that's why.
Who did the painting here? You did as well?
She did it.
Oh,
my
you
friend.
did it. So, wow,
It's
so the whole
everything
family
is the
thing?
family, yes.
Yes.
I cover inside everything. I changed the door cover, I changed the...
No way.
I changed the seat cover, that door cover, all side, I did it.
That is impressive. Thank
Just
you
like
so
to see on
much.
TV.
There we go.
to get up?
So,
Want to get up?
sure. Tell me your name first, sir.
Keith Edwards.
Keith, tell me about this first. Let's talk about this.
It's our 2021 F-150 Shelby Super Snake.
Wow.
It's a Coyote engine with a supercharger, puts out 775 horsepower.
That should be illegal. That's
A
incredible.
lot of fun to drive.
Wow. For such a large truck, like to go with that much power on this thing?
Yeah, we enjoy it. It's very comfortable to drive down the highway, and it's we really enjoy it. We waited a couple of years for it, so
My God.
we've had it about 2 years.
How many of these were made, do you know?
100 per year. This is number 13 of that year.
Oh my God, lucky number
Lucky
13,
and
Keith. It's lovely.
That was just lucky I got that number.
You did
Didn't pick
indeed.
it.
And of course, who says you have to be just a GM kind of guy? You've kind of mixed and matched, right?
Got the
So
GM
it's
as
beautiful.
well.
Oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
This is gorgeous too.
Yeah, this
So I
one
like
we-
the fact you got the blue trim going between the two.
We had an earlier C8 Stingray that was the same blue as the interior here,
Right.
and we decided to change it up a bit and go with white on the outside. so-
Wow. I love it. Absolutely stunning.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Raylene.
Raylene, tell me what you've got here, my dear.
I have a 1947 Dodge.
Wow. Where did you find this car?
Winnipeg, Manitoba.
No way.
Yes. So my husband did a lot of work on it, kept it original. Did the inside.
Oh my gosh. It's beautiful, Raylene.
Thank you.
And I love the patina on this thing. It just makes it look like belongs sitting in a, I don't know, in a field somewhere.
Yeah.
But she runs fine.
Oh, perfect. Very loud
Oh
car.
my God.
Very rocky. Very noisy.
So, sort of like your
But
husband.
it gets us here. Exactly.
Oh, she's fabulous. And how did you find the car anyway? Like, were you there at the time or you just came across it?
My husband found it on Kijiji, I believe. He was looking for a model like this, found it on Kijiji years ago, and he got it up by Hamilton, and this is originally from Manitoba.
Beautiful.
So it didn't see any winters.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Tell me what you've got here.
This is a 1986 El Camino choo-choo. There was 81 choo-choos made in 86. It was a conversion from GM that was sent to the choo-choo plant. So it's a Monte Carlo front clip on the front of it. If you look at the nose cone, that's what was done to it. And she's an SS.
It's beautiful. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me, young lady. This section is for rock stars only, right?
That's why I'm here.
Oh my God, Laura, she's lovely. And you deserve to be here. Very good. Look at you taking calls from your agent, probably.
I don't need no agent. I do my own PR.
Good for you. She's lovely. Not to worry.
Look at that, eh? TNT.
Excuse me. It's going to take me half an hour to walk around this car. It's beautiful. Okay, tell me your name, sir.
Oh, it's Greg Umaker.
Greg, tell me what this is.
This is a 1963 Ford Galaxy 500 XL.
My
and
God.
it was built in California, in Los Angeles, and I've owned this car 37 years. And it's
How long have you had it, Greg?
37 years.
Wow. Absolutely beautiful.
So it's all been redone to the exact same color specifications it was built with.
Gorgeous. Thank you, Greg.
Yeah, what's happening?
How are you? Good. I was going to say, this vaguely look familiar. How you doing, Jeff? All good? Good. And you got the best seat in the house almost, haven't you? Yeah. Beautiful.
Told you.
No, you're not kidding. And they're still rolling in.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to walk around a bit. We'll catch up later. You rascal. You ready to sell her? I'm asking you on camera this time.
Not quite yet.
Oh my God.
But you're number one on the list. So.
I hope so. I look at this car and I could cry, I swear. And you know it.
Yep, absolutely.
And you're a popular fella. The phone's ringing all the time. That's your agent.
Some other person wanting to buy. The prices
went up. The prices just went up, you rascal. Thank you again, Greg.
Thanks. Enjoy the show.
Oh, yes. I just love the color. Black on black just looks gorgeous.
But if you look,
Is it got, oh, it's purple.
there's a little shine right here.
There is too. And yet, when you look at it in a certain way, it looks all black. It's a beautiful paint job.
Thank you.
You sure you don't want to talk about it? Because you're doing a damn good job so far. Okay. Oh, it's lovely. Tell me your name first.
Hi, I'm Allison. And
Allison, okay.
This is my 1964 Pontiac Parisienne Safari station wagon.
Oh my God, and she's beautiful. How long have you had this, Allison?
I bought it in 2014, and it took just a little over 4 years to restore.
Oh my God. It's absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
Why the wagon?
When I was a kid,
yes.
A friend of my, girlfriend of mine, her dad had a wagon, and we had a lot of fun trips, family trips together, going down the back of the road.
Did you sit in the back
seat?
Of course, yes, why not?
Always have loved the wagons.
Yes, and who needs seat belts and all that palaver,
that's
right? You just sat there with the ice cream and you
Yep.
enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I love everything about this, including your surfboard.
Yeah, that was a present. I bought it in November of 2014, and Christmas Eve, my husband disappeared about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. He says, I'm going for a drive. And about 4.5 hours later, in a snowstorm, he came home. He wouldn't let me be around when he came home. And then Christmas morning, I got up and there was this great big box all wrapped up beside the Christmas tree. And he had driven to Aurelia to buy the surfboard to bring it home for me.
That's priceless. Wow. That's a keeper husband.
That's it. That's it.
Thank you so much.
No, no problem.
Bye.